Are you ready to know the secret? If so, then you've come to the right place. The secret has still been sweeping the world with dozens of books, movies, talk shows and celebrities endorsing this incredible mind over matter law of attraction. Essentially, the secret or the law of attraction works by suggesting that if you believe something, it can come true. The mind is a powerful thing. However, it takes a little more than just believing. Below I've summarized the steps to the law of attraction so you can adapt this incredible life-altering universal law into your own life. Before we begin, consider gently tapping that subscribe button and leave a comment below if you agree that everything you desire is coming to you. Here are 7 steps on how the law of attraction really works. 1. Thinking about what you want or where you want to be in a certain amount of time is a first step on your journey. The law of attraction works with the mind and your thought process. This could be anything from a wealth of money to a dream career to getting pregnant within the year. 2. Pursue your vision. Once you have conceptualized your vision, you need to keep focusing on that vision or goal. The most important thing involved in the law of attraction is belief. However, you will need to take certain steps to get there. Don't just think about doing it, know that you are going to do it. 3. Educate yourself. Discover what needs to be done in order to get to where you want to be. This does not necessarily mean attending school, but it does mean looking into your path and seeing what needs to be done. 4. Imagine yourself there. This does not only mean visualizing yourself there, but actually experiencing the entire goal you have in mind. Do not think if, think when. Think of what it will taste like, smell like and feel like. Create an entire world where your goal is an accepted part of your life. Eventually, it will come true. 5. Seek counsel in those that are in your discipline. Like-minded people are attracted to one another. This is an important concept in the law of attraction. Surround yourself with those following the same path and be in the same energy of those of like mind. You can seek success tips and understand your chosen path if you know someone who has taken the journey. 6. Listen to your spirit for guidance. An important part of the law of attraction is spiritual alignment. In some cases, your spirit is what will guide you through the journey. You need to remain internally and externally connected to your surroundings. During the law of attraction, everything should line up mentally, physically, and spiritually. If not, then you need to dig deep and find out why. Soul searching is essential when it comes to your own awareness. 7. Trust in your instincts and follow your heart. If you feel like something is wrong, then there is a good chance that it is. Your instincts will be your guidance on the path to attracting. Trust yourself after all, this is your journey. Those are the 7 steps of the law of attraction. If you want to manifest your dream life, click on the link in the description below to claim your free manifestation toolkit.